everyone. Today's video is actually very exciting to me because I got a package 2 days ago in the mail, and I was planning on doing an unboxing of it, but I actually ended up opening it on the day that I got it because I was just too excited. It's actually from Tokyo Kawaii Club. And this is called a Disney Magic Mailer. It's a company that I think is still pretty new, but pretty much what they offer is for all of the Disney fanatics like myself. My boyfriend and I have Disney passes, and we go literally every 2 weeks at least because we live really close to Disney World in Florida, and so we go all the time. So we're really huge Disney fans. We watch the movies all the time. And our dream is to go to Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea because those parks are just incredible, and we hear nothing but good things about them. And I guess their merchandise, their Disney merchandise over there, blows ours out of the water. They have the coolest stuff, and they have everything that you can imagine with Disney characters on it. They have it pretty much, so we don't have quite as much choice here. And since we can't really afford to go to Japan right now, this Disney mailer was really perfect for me. What it is exactly is he goes to the Disney parks in Japan and he'll collect a few items, and then he also goes around just the regular Disney store and I think stores like Daiso as well over in Japan, and they carry a lot of Disney products, a lot of Disney merchandise that we don't have here available in the States. And what he does is he customizes each person's Disney mailer. So what we did, actually, my boyfriend purchased this for me as a gift, and he emailed him and told him that my favorite Disney characters were Bambi and Cinderella. And so he came back to my boyfriend and said that he could definitely get a lot of Cinderella and Bambi merchandise, and he did really well. So yeah, what it is, it's this Disney Magic Mailer. This is the full-size one. You can also get a mini mailer. This one comes with, I think, 5 or 6 items from the Disney parks and the Disney stores in Japan. And the mini mailer, I think, comes with 3 or 4. He's running on offer right now. I think my boyfriend paid $55 flat, and that included the shipping, which is actually a really great deal. And I think the mini magic mailer is around $27. So I think it's totally worth the money. I think it's very reasonably priced, and I was not let down at all with what came inside. So yeah, definitely check out Tokyo Kawaii Club if you're a huge fan of all things Disney and Japanese and cute, because it's the perfect site for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with what came in my magic mailer. So the first thing I want to show is he wrote a note to my boyfriend thanking him for his purchase, but it is on the cutest stationery imaginable. It's Mickey and Minnie themed, and it's all how they're perfect for each other and they have the perfect chemistry, and it's just really sweet, and I think it's adorable. And if I could have a whole entire pad of this, I would be overjoyed. So yeah, but getting into the products, the way he packages it is really nice. He actually includes the Disney bags from Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea. This one is actually from Disneyland, so you can see it's got Anna and Elsa on the front. On the back, it's a bunch of Pixar characters, which I thought was really cool. And then on the inside, there's actually another bag, a smaller bag, with more items in it. This has Chip and Dale on the front, and then I forget the name of the bear. These characters aren't as popular over here in the States as they are in Japan, but they're really cute. But I'm actually going to start with what was included in the big bag. So the first thing I pulled out was a Bambi Ufufi. Now I actually already have a Bambi Ufufi because I've been collecting them in the States here for a while, but I was not at all upset to receive another one just because this is my favorite one that I have. And it's nice to have one to kind of put on display, and then one to actually I don't know, cuddle with if I felt so inclined. But It smells just like apple blossoms, which I think is like the most generic scent that they have. I think it smells amazing. It smells like soap to me. It smells really, really good. But yeah, so I got a Bamboo Foofy, and it actually is slightly different than the ones that are made here in the States. These are made in Japan. I think the ones in the States are made in China. So there is slight differences, and I thought that was very interesting to note. So yeah, this was the first thing I got. Was not disappointed. The second thing I got came from the actual resort, and it's really, really unique actually. What it is it comes with all these sheets of paper over here. And they are the shoes of all the different Disney princesses, and there's directions on how to make like origami. So you make origami versions of all the Disney princesses' shoes. And I thought that was the cutest idea, and like I'm totally a stationery nerd, and I used to do origami a lot when I was little. So I thought this was like perfect for me, and this is just a little box to actually keep all the papers in, because Japan thinks of everything. And everything is cute, and everything is convenient. So, yeah, this was the next item that came in my mailer. Now I'm going to be moving on to what was in the smaller bag. One of my favorite items that I got in this mailer was this agenda. I had been watching a lot of these Disney mailer unboxings, and I saw a lot of people were getting these, so I was really happy that I got one too. And this is the Disney Princess one, so it has Cinderella, Aurora, Ariel Belle, I think that's Rapunzel, and Snow White. So these are actually my favorite princesses right here. So it's like perfect for me, and it's actually sized for B6, which is the planner, the traveler's notebook that I just ordered yesterday as B6, so this couldn't have come at a more perfect time. So it's going to fit in there perfectly, and yeah, it's just a little schedule book. It comes with all the months from October 2017 to December 2018, so I still have quite a bit of time to use this. And then it also comes with this really pretty grid paper that comes with the princesses on either side. So yeah, this was just really, really perfect for me, and I'm really, really excited to start using it. Also, a thing that he includes in every Disney Magic mailer is a map to one of their parks, which I was really, really looking forward to, because it's really interesting to look at their park as opposed to our park. It's very similar, but also very different at the same time. But yeah, it was really cool to look through this. My boyfriend and I were just like trying to like translate it, but we couldn't. But we could like find all of our usual rides that we love, and it was really cool to see how Japan did them. So yeah. Next thing I have, which is perfect for me, is some Cinderella stationery. So it comes with some letter paper, some envelopes, and then they have some stickers back here as well. And everybody knows that I love to write letters and that I'm really into pen paling. I currently don't have any pen pals right now because I'm so busy, but eventually I will pick it up again. And these will be really, really fun to use, although I know I'm going to have a hard time using them because they are so special. So we'll see if I actually have the guts to share these. Next thing I have in here is this Cinderella 10, and I adore the artwork on it. I think it's really, really sweet. And inside it comes with some candies. Inside it comes with really, really cute candies, and they are wrapped in the cutest packaging ever. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat any of these because they're just too cute. So I'm probably just going to put them on display. But like the packaging, everything over there is just so much detail is put into it. I wish that people cared as much as the little things over here in the States like they do in Japan. But it's just my personal opinion. So yeah, I really, really adore this 10. I'll probably keep something like, I'll probably keep paper clips or something convenient like that in this cute little 10 that I'm so happy to have. And the last thing that I have to share from this magic mailer is this Cinderella pin, which is perfect because I collect pins. Not the usual Disney pins, the ones that are really expensive that you get in the park, but just kind of like button pins like this. I collect them and I put them on my backpack that I take to the parks. So this is a perfect addition for me to add to my backpack, and it's really, really nicely made. I really like the way it feels. So yeah, I was really, really happy actually to receive this as well. So yeah, that is everything that I got in my Disney mailer. I am completely satisfied and very happy, and I will be making a purchase with him again soon. I think he does really, really great work. He's really, really approachable. He's super nice. His customer service is really great. And it only took about 2 weeks to get here, so considering the turnaround time from Japan all the way to the United States, I think that was really, really exceptional, and I'm very impressed. As a small business owner myself, I'm very impressed with his work, and I think he's doing amazing stuff. So yeah, if you're a huge Disney fanatic and you are jealous of everything that Japan has to offer over in their Disneyland like I am, then this is the perfect thing for you, and I really, really recommend it. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If by any chance you would like to see more Disney videos by me, let me know. Again, I go to the parks all the time, so if you want any tips and tricks on how to skip the lines or what to pack and what to expect from Disney days at Disney World, all my favorite rides, all my best insider tips on exploring Disney World, just let me know, because my boyfriend and I are really in love with watching YouTube videos on Disney World, and I think it would be really interesting if I put my own insight into it as well, since we have so much experience going and we've never had one unsuccessful day at Disney World. Every single day we go has been amazing. So yeah, if you would like any tips on how to plan your perfect Disney vacation and what to expect from it, just let me know, and maybe I'll start making videos geared towards that as well. So yeah. So I'm done rambling now, and I'm done with the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Goodbye.